So in this video, we are going to talk about jobs. These jobs are just for the freshers. So if you are the one who is looking for entry level job, or you have just passed out in 2024 from any stream, or like you're looking for a developer, you're looking for an analyst, then this video is for you. Stay tuned up till the end and I'm going to share the amazing opportunities with you. You can find the links in the description. So let's get started with the first one. So the number one job is of the Python developer, which is full-time job opportunity. Experience is just 0 to 1. So if you are fresher, you can apply. This is mainly for the location who are comfortable with Gurgaon. BTech is required. Skill set is this, but you can apply. And as you are fresher, so they won't expect you to showcase any project with the combination of all. So this is the link. I have also added the link in the description. Also, if you have filled out the form, you can mail your resume on this particular mail ID. Let's see the next one. This is the second one where Deloitte has like opening of associate analyst. In this associate analyst, your job role will be to take ownership of assigned task and deliverability. Basically, your main role is to have a good communication. You should have the knowledge of Excel. You should have the knowledge of Word, and in between you will be required to communicate it in the good way. So that is why they are going to check your communication skills. The location is Hyderabad. So this is another good opportunity because this is by Deloitte. You can easily apply it with the easy apply option, or I would recommend go to the Deloitte career page and then apply. Now let's move on to the next opportunity, which is with this one, which is of software full stack programmer remote job. This is for freshers again, and the remote job opportunity with the 6 lakhs to 9 lakhs per annum. And in this, you will be required to provide some teaching assistance to this. And there are many more similar opportunities for freshers on this particular website, Karvete, and I am going to attach the link, or else you can just move on to this karvete.tech, and there you will find multiple opportunities. As you can see, this is year of experience, fresher, 0. AU has an opening, GE Vernova. All these companies are providing the freshers job, means entry level job. Turning, Google, GE Digital, Barclays, Adidas, AU. Everywhere the year of experience is freshers only, and it has a good pay package as well. And few of them you will find it as a in office, and others are remote. So this is another good website which I would recommend you to explore. Now let's check out the next one, which is again the freshers job, software engineering engineer. This is full-time one. This has been recently posted. Their requirement is that you should have a bachelor's or master degree in related discipline, or you have the software development also. That is also good for them. They have a good offering. So we all need a job. So if you are the fresher, don't look for something being specific. Just go apply, get one, and then upgrade yourself, upskill yourself for the next role or your aim. Let's move on to the next one. This is Nest one. This Unstop website, as I have mentioned in my Instagram story also, Unstop website is really good if you are looking for freshers job or internship. This is the Nest, nurturing excellence and the strengthening talent. In this, they are going to take a round number 1, which is on 9th of December, where there will be one MCQ assessment, which is mandatory for all the team members to participate. Then they have one screening round where they will, where you will have to submit a pitch deck, and then semifinals, and they will provide you the assistance as well. So this is free to register. This is just like, to have, this is just like you are going to add up something in your resume, which is more practical, which is more skills based, which is free, obviously. So this is a good option. This is not a kind of a job. This is a kind of, you can say, a competition or a talent hunt or something which is in tech, and you can showcase it in future in your resume as well. So this is good if you wanted to upskill yourself. The next one is again of the software testing internship. This software testing internship, they haven't mentioned anything specifically for the stipend, but yeah, they do provide it. This is 6 months internship, 5 days working full time in office, and the major requirement is that you should have the basic coding techniques. Like you should know basic technologies about like what's going on in the market, Gen AI, and all these. Just basic introduction to each one of them is enough for this company. So you can directly apply. The link is in the description. And this is the last one, which is the front end developer job. Front end developer job, like some have requested on Instagram for the front end developer. So this is the one. They have 2 opening in office job, and they want these skills to be there. Like you should have the knowledge of API and XJS, CSS, DevOps, or React.js. Hiring process is very simple. They have the online technical coding assessment demonstrating the skills of these 3, and then online meeting will be there. That's it. There are only 2 rounds. So these opportunities are really, really helpful for you. Go apply them. And if you find this video interesting, don't forget to comment down and let me know so that I can come up with more interesting videos or more useful videos like this. So next video, bye bye.